Hello everyone, and welcome to building a reflection pool for my birds. This is the first time I'm doing a vlog with this new camera, the DJI Osmo Pocket 2. I got it with the combo, that's why I have this beautiful mic. And I decided the best way to start doing it was by showing how I built my pool. It's gonna be a 2-day vlog because I only have probably an hour and a half left of vlogging and I want to be explaining everything. I'm using some recycled wood. As you can see, I bought this that I hope it will be big enough to give me the reflection that I want. Some tar for the black. I bought also some beautiful rocks, and then the rest is gonna be by hand. First thing, I'm placing these holders or steps or whatever, I don't know the names. And now I'm gonna use my planks. But the idea is to be facing, I'll show you, because the idea is for it to be facing this way, because that's where the camera will be. And I've learned by mistake the other times that the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prepare everything, make it pretty, then I'm gonna prepare my hideout, then I'll put the camera and check if all the angles are perfect before putting the water. Otherwise, as I did with all the other lakes, it's not gonna work and it's gonna be horrible. And also, props for me for being first time with my t-shirt outside for I think like 5 months. I think before I continue to do anything else, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set up my hideout so we can check if everything is okay. Another thing is when you're placing the angle, you're trying to get a beautiful background, and also you're trying to use the sun, because I'm gonna be doing mostly sunset photos because I'm not gonna be waking up earlier. I'm too lazy for that. And so I want the sun to be in the front facing the birds, and it's exactly how it is. So it's gonna give me a beautiful reflection of the birds. If I put it here, let's check how it is. So inside we go to my beautiful hideout. After I'll show you everything how in the hideout is. Okay, it's getting better, but I'm still not 100% sure. See, the idea is we want it to be facing us. We have our little wolf here examining everything. See if we can get a good close-up shot. is by checking like my little puppy is doing. But we need more. Okay, but I think I have the plan. Okay. Finally managed to get the camera the angle that I wanted. I'm using some wood that I found in the garage. So now the next thing is to start making it look pretty. The idea is, if the bird comes, I do not want it to drinking over here, or even here. I want them to only be able to drink there. The only way is, when I put the water, I'm gonna put a lot of rocks to make it easier for them to get the water from there. And then on the sides, I'm gonna use some logs to make it very high so the birds cannot drink from it. This way they have to go drink from that side. That's what I want to do. Am I going to be able to do it? Yeah. I have all of this plastic tar, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cover all the white from the table, and then I'm gonna also cover this part. First day, it's over. For now, we're gonna leave it like this. But look how gorgeous it's gonna be. You see the mirror? So the bird will come and we'll be drinking. I need to thank my trusty companion, filming everything. The sun is about to leave and it's gonna start to get cold, so there's no more work to be done. Worst part, it is over, which was the building, making sure everything was even, making sure the angle was nice, putting the rocks, starting to put the first water to see if it works or not. And tomorrow we're gonna start with the static part, so putting rocks around, putting the tree trunks, making sure the birds drink from the place that I want them to drink. So we're gonna go trying to make it pretty. Rome wasn't built in a day, and definitely my pool is not gonna be built in an hour and 40 minutes. Thank you, I'll see you tomorrow. Hello everyone, and welcome to day 2. Oops, sorry. Yeah, there we go. So now the idea is very easy. All I want is the birds to feed and come drinking on this area. So here we have to put some logs to make it high so the birds cannot reach the water, so they have to go all the way to the beach. So I already have 2 that I had from the previous one. So the idea is like this, to place them, and this way it's too high for the bird to reach the water. So I put one there, I'll put another one here, and voila. the first part is done. Now everything is kind of how I want it. But now I think I moved it quite a little bit, so now I have to go back to the camera and see if the angle is exactly how I want it. And maybe I'll have to add some water again to see. You'll see now that the image is very different because I'm now back to the GoPro. My Osmo went out of battery. I forgot to charge it last night, you know, like a good vlogger, you always forget your camera. So now let's go back inside to the beautiful place. And here, voila, maybe a little bit too high. Maybe you're pointing a little bit high, but you're on a tree. So my little hobby. Not sure if you saw it. 64. And now we go to the trees. Yeah. And I'm gonna realize probably there's not a big tree enough. Okay. This one will do. It's not gonna be perfect, but what matters is that you try. Now, there we go. I'm gonna put this again in a time lapse because it's super boring for you to be seeing me doing this, and also the light, it's middle of the day, it's gonna be very bad, so the whole editing will be very Okay, first cut is done. Now I'm gonna check if it will work here. Not at all. Oh, there we go. So now how do I cut it in half? I just found out that it looked very bad. Sorry guys and ladies, sorry. Don't worry, I'm not attacking my manlyhood. this done, at least the side part, as you can see. Exactly what I wanted. It's high enough for the birds not to be able, so they come here, they're like, ooh, what a beautiful drink. I want to drink, and they have to come here on the beach to the water. So now I'll have this one here. As you can see, I already opened it. I'm gonna put some seeds here for feeding, so it's a natural feeder. And if you see through here the angle, look at this beautiful mirror. You actually cannot see the opening. So now, next is these two that I'm gonna open here, and then I'm gonna open here, so they can be also natural feeders. Now I'm still trying to understand how am I gonna fix this on the table. That is the question. To be honest, I don't know. But I'm very happy how it's going, and then tomorrow, after I finish this, we're gonna go work on that. This is the plan. Then after static, hideout, trying to figure out how everything will work. Everyone, I had a brilliant idea. Just kidding, it was Bia's idea. So here, this is where we're gonna have the feeders, sorry. And as you can see, I put the holes, so I'll put the seeds here. I'll put seeds all the way here, and also put here. So we're gonna have like this in the end of the lake. So I think it's gonna be beautiful. Everything is nailed now, as you can see. For the twig, but I'm not sure if it's thick enough, so I'm gonna have to find another way. But I have to be honest, it looks very nice. And from here, look at this. I think I was Picasso in the previous life. Good morning everyone, welcome to day 3 of building a bird pool and a bird hide. I think today I will be finally done with it. Today I will have the full day to finish it. I already put 7 hours into this, but probably from those 7 hours, 3 hours was just me thinking what am I gonna do. So now it's quite easy, the last processes. I mean, not easy, but I already know what I want to do, so I can be faster, which is, come, I'll show you. So the first thing is I'm gonna take care of the hide. I'm gonna put a floor here, trying to put it a better floor here. I will dig, and then we'll try to do any other stuff in the hide. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a lot of these leaves like this, and then I'm gonna staple them so it looks a little bit more natural. And the feeders also all good, so that is the plan. Make like a roof. Maybe it will work. If not, oh well, we'll learn that it did not work. Now, we drill. When technology fails you, you can always go for plan B, which is brute force. We're gonna go hammer, old man style. Not old man, but old style. Double the trouble, double the strength. And now I have to be smart about it. Can I just hammer? No, will not do it. Yeah. So I'm gonna take this out. Ooh, yeah, this first sound is gonna be beautiful. The hammering sound. I'll do a lot of time lapses because building stuff is super time consuming, like extremely time consuming. If people would tell me, João, it's gonna take 3 days for you to make a terrible bird hide, I would say, you're kidding me. No way, 3 days. No way I will take 3 days. But technically it's only 7 hours. But no way I'm gonna take 7 hours. You know, sometimes you have to undo all the work so you can redo everything how it should be. I'm gonna stop the video now. It's gonna be super time consuming and there's no angle for you to see. So I'll show you after I'm done, because I probably will fail some nails. I will nail my hands. I will be swearing and we just don't want that, right? Let me introduce you to the hideout, at least part of it. And welcome to the hideout. So as you can see, I have this window so I can see the birds coming to drink. I have the windows behind me. I have this one here, I have this one here. And then here, as you can see, I have the door. The camera will be here facing the lake. So this is the roof, and then look at this. As you see, I can be closing down, but if it's getting too hot, voila, lake on. And here you can see the lake over there. Now it's time to prepare everything in the lake. Let's go, cue time lapse. I forgot my wireless mic, so hopefully this mic will also be good. It is done, everything is beautiful. And now we're gonna go for the fun part, which is to put water. The pool is done. Look at this. It's already with water, the beautiful mirror. Look at all of this. Looking fancy. 5-star hotel. It is officially open for birds. Now it's time to eat. Get everything done. Maybe I'll still gonna make a like a type of shelf on the height to make things much easier, but then that I will not film. And now enjoy the photos that I've taken from the height of the pool. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like it, and if you want to watch more videos of me building stuff, you're out of luck. Maybe I'll build other stuff, but if you love nature, this is the channel to be. Inspire Wilderness. Follow us, click on the bell, so every time we post a new video you can know. Hope you enjoy. This is the bird that I want to film, the great tit. I think that's the name in English. In Portuguese, chipinha real. Take care everyone, and thank you for watching. So over here we have camera, we have the monitor so I can see what's in the water. Over here I created this little shelf. I have a camera, I have battery for the monitor, battery for the Canon. Forgot the memory card, so I hope it will be okay. Down here I have this little stool, I have the binos, camera, lens, water bottle and spider. Down here I have the hat. Then on this side, this small opening side, I have the camera bag where everything was. And that's the beautiful setup. Let's see if we get any good videos and photos.